Okay, very short video on how to set up your industrial technology timber folio. So just to start off with, you need to go to Google, type in NESA Industrial Technology Timber Major Works Marking Criteria. So make sure you get the marking guidelines. So this is the marking guidelines for the major design project. So we just have a little bit of a look. And it's broken down into components, and the first one is a project proposal and management, and then these are the areas that you're going to be assessed on. And then we've got the development and realisation assessment criteria, and then we've got the evaluation, and it just goes on. So the way that I would recommend that you could do it, if you want a little bit of guidance, is to go to Word, start a new document, put in a cover page of your choice, page break for a new page, just go back. From here we need to put in a table of contents, so I would just put in an automatic table at a basic level. It can just sit like that. We come back to insert, a page break. Okay, so our first big heading, I guess, if we go back to our components, is project proposal and management. Right click, copy, drop that into your document. That can come in here. With the design and the style of your project, it's up to you. So up along here, so just a basic elegant will do. You can then actually highlight this, and this is going to be a heading. So over here in our styles, heading number 1, that's going to be our heading, and I'm just going to insert another page, insert a page break. I'm now on the next page. Now I'm going to start putting in my subheadings of what the assessor is going to be looking for. So the first one is identification, explanation of the need. So I'm going to copy, and then I'm just pasting this into my document, paste. So just as that's come in, you can actually just go through, and the style of it's going to be heading number 2, or subtitle even, might be better. So we've got our subtitle, enter, so I'm going to put some information in underneath there. Go back, areas of investigation, copy, paste. We want to make sure that that's coming in as a subheading, so up here is subtitle. And you get the idea of what we do here, so just going through and putting all of them directly from the marking criteria into your portfolio. Highlight, subtitle. What that does now, so you're probably going to end up doing that 20 times over. We can come back up here to our table of contents, left click, update the table, and straight away it's already got our little pieces in there. Update the entire thing. That doesn't, these ones here might actually need to be headings. So heading, heading, and then headings, make them headings. Update entire table. So that's now going to generate our table, our contents table. The other thing we might need to do is if we double click up the top here, that's activating our header, and now we want to be able to go through and we want to be able to put in a page number. So if we just drop this little tab down, we can say to add a page number in our current position. So if we just go home, justify this over to that side of the page, insert or reference, just looking for page number. Here we go, page number, and we're just going to go to the current position and just a plain one like that. That now will help with our when the assessor's looking for it. So if you go through and do that for each one of your sections, and then you could use the portfolio guide to see the information that you put in this area. I guess the key thing is to make sure that it's visual.